Hi students, today we are going to study the parts of a leaf. Leaf is a green flattened lateral structure attached to a stem and functioning as a principal organ of photosynthesis. Leaf can store food and water and are modified in some plants for other purposes like support, help in climbing and protection. Leaf shows the following structures: petiole, leaf base, lamina, leaf apex, and midrib and veins. Aim of this experiment: to study different parts of a leaf. Materials required to observe the parts of a leaf are leaves of different plants, observation notebook and pencil, leaf is a green flattened structure which is attached to the stem. Leaf shows the following structures. First of all, petiole. This is petiole. The part of the leaf which is attached to the stem. It helps in the conduction of food materials between the lamina and the stem and also expose it to the sunlight. Another part, leaf base. Leaf base is the point of attachment of the leaf at the node of the stem. This is leaf lamina. The broad green part of the leaf is called leaf lamina. This is leaf apex. This is the tip of the leaf. This is midrib. It is in the middle of the leaf. The midrib branches are called veins. These are look like a network. These are look like a network in each side. The arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaf is look like a reticulum. This is a reticulate venation. By this way, the leaf consists of the petiole, leaf base, leaf lamina, and leaf tip, midrib, and lateral veins, and these are veinlets. Children, what do we conclude? Yes, petiole is the stalk of the leaf which connects the lamina with the stem. The leaf attached to the stem or branches is known as leaf base. Lamina is green, expanded, most conspicuous and important part of the leaf. Veins and veinlets provide mechanical support. Based on this observation of different parts in leaf, I pose few questions. Why are leaves green in color? Anyone answer this question? Leaves are green due to the presence of green pigment called chlorophyll. What is petiole? Can anyone answer? Petiole is a stalk-like structure attached the stem with leaf lamina. Finally, what do you mean by venation? Guess the answer. The arrangement and distribution of veins and veinlets in the leaf lamina is called venation.